Hello and welcome back to the course. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to install Tableau. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing that we're going to need is a browser. And once you have a browser up, let's go to www.tableau.com. Now this is the main page of the Tableau software, and here you have a couple of options of which package you can install. Now for this course, there are two versions of Tableau that will suffice, that will work great for us. One is Tableau Desktop and the other one is Tableau Public. Now Tableau Desktop is a paid version, and if you already have Tableau Desktop, then that's great. Go ahead and use your existing license of Tableau Desktop. If you don't have Tableau Desktop, then I will show you just now how to install a trial version of Tableau Desktop. The other option is Tableau Public. And why would you opt in to use Tableau Public instead of a trial version of Tableau Desktop? Well, the reason is, well, first of all, Tableau Public is free, completely free. And the other thing is that Tableau Desktop, that trial, is only 14 days long. So at some point you'll run out of it, and maybe you'll want to continue learning, maybe you'll want to continue experimenting. So in that case, you've always got Tableau Public to go to, and you can always use it. And as you'll see further down in this tutorial, it's completely identical in terms of functionality, and you can totally go through this whole course with Tableau Public. So first off, I'm going to show you how to install Tableau Desktop, the trial version. Here you've got a Tableau or a Try Now button. So if we click the Try Now button, then here you've got a couple of options. Once again, Tableau Desktop, Server, Online. We want to select Tableau Desktop, so let's click Get Started over here. And as soon as you click that, automatically a download will commence, and this download contains the correct version of Tableau Desktop for your machine. So I'm using Windows 64-bit, and that's the one that's being downloaded right now. If for some reason the correct version wasn't picked up, then you can always select the correct version here. So you can select 32-bit Windows, or you can select a Mac version. Yes, that's correct. There is a Mac version of this wonderful software. So go ahead and download that if you're using a Mac. All right, so once that's downloaded, here you've got a couple of steps that you will need to go through to start your trial of Tableau. I'm not going to do that because I've already done that, and I will show you what it looks like inside just now in a second. So that is how to install Tableau Desktop, the trial version. Now, if you want to install Tableau Public, then the website is a bit different. The website is public.tableau.com. And here you will need to enter your email address and click this button, download the app. Once you've done that, you will get an email with Tableau Public, a link to the installation, or the installation will actually commence as soon as you click that button, and then you'll be able to install Tableau Public. So here I'll just scroll down to show you what Tableau Public is about. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that Tableau Public has 135,000 authors, 15,000 visualizations per month, 25 million views per month. Tableau Public is mostly used by journalists and public-facing organizations that don't have trade secrets and things like that. And that is because anything you create on Tableau Public has to be hosted on a public server and has to be accessible to anybody on the internet. For us, it's not a problem because we're learning. We're going to be creating visualizations as part of this course. Totally not a problem. We're totally fine with that. So if you want to use Tableau Public, go ahead and use Tableau Public. All right, so let's have a look. I'm going to cancel this download because I already have this file. Let's have a look at Tableau inside and Tableau Public inside. So here I've got both of them installed, and I'm going to bring up Tableau first. So this is Tableau, where it's got lots of these plus signs. Here you can see a whole library of visualizations that some of them are from this current course, some of them are from my other courses on Tableau or advanced Tableau. So here you got some animations and so on. But basically, this is the first thing that you see. This is the library of your recent visualizations that you have created. Now, I'm not going to go into detail on Tableau Desktop right now. First, I'm going to bring up Tableau Public. So we're going to double-click Tableau Public over here. And here you can see Tableau Public has come up. So as you can see, it's exactly the same interface, exactly the same program, and I have created the same visualizations using Tableau Public. The only difference here is that I can connect to less types of files as opposed to Tableau desktop, but that's not a problem because we don't need that many types of files to connect to in this course, because we are learning, and it's more about the concepts that we're learning rather than the data connections that we can establish. And so let's just bring up one random one of these visualizations. So maybe that one and maybe that one. So here you can see that inside they are also very, not just similar, they're actually identical. You can see that they're structured the same way and they work the same way. The only other difference that I can think of is you can't create an extract in Tableau Public because your data is hosted on a public server anyway. And probably the other thing is that it's you can't just export images from Tableau Public. You need to take screenshots or export them from your published visualization. That's pretty much it. So other than that, the functionality is exactly the same, and you can go ahead and install either of these versions. And once you've installed that, in the next tutorial, we will start drilling into our data, and eventually we'll start creating some great visualization and doing some cool data mining with Tableau. Okay, that's all for today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial. Until then, happy analyzing.